start out with my favorite bike. 2015 Yamaha FJR 1300. This is an A model, I believe. Is it? I can't tell. Shocks look a little different. Might be the ES. No, it's the ES. Anyway, some big changes here. Number one, it's like a, call it a clay gray. There's no signage out, so I don't know what the official name of the color is. But it's got a couple interesting things. Body color matched center panels, huge upgrade, and a black undertank. No more ugly silver. I might buy this black one just to put on mine. I wish I could get the red ones. Other than that, no changes. Oh, and it also has a black rear mount. That's cool. So overall, color changes, but nice ones. Alright, very cool. Got the 2015 FZ09.
And I had long sleeves, long pants, and a hat. I'm like, how in the world did these guys stand? And we had them cut it up a little bit. Cut it up much. Yeah.
Very cool. The FZ09 in the blue and silver scheme.
Oh, nice! I was talking about accessories now, but
and a very popular R6. Another blue and silver scheme. Here's the FZ07. Here we've got some soft saddlebags on the F07. Now this is interesting. 2015 FZ1. It's a leader bike. Kind of looks like a mini cross between an FJR and an R1. Very cool. Here we've got starter bikes. Star 250s. Real basic, but a real low entry point. 4,300 bucks. Damn good deal. Solidly built. Got it in blue too. We got a V-Star Custom. And over here, V-Star 950. And the 950 Touring, which gives you the bags and canyon cages. Beautiful options there. Moving on up on size a bit. These are 1300. Nice looking pipe. Single-sided, big old tank, great for range. And then the 1300 Tour again, which gives you the bags, pillion support. And the windshield. And here are the new bolts that were just announced. Very cool. It's got a suede saddle. That looks really comfy. And then the touring version. Again, small bags, second seat, leather saddles this time, a little bit of a windshield, some bronze accents. Very nice. This one's in candy red for $8,000. Here's another version of it, kind of a low slung. Matte black finish on the engine. Then we get to their real adventure bike, Super Tenere, all decked out. Hand guards, foot guards, heavy duty luggage, bags, knobbies, super heavy duty. This is the 2015 Striker. Got a little mini windshield, basically a deflector. Bigger tank than the Bolt, bigger saddle. Again, kind of low slung. A little bit of a luggage rack. Beautiful pipes. Awesome matte black finish. That looks really sharp. 80 cubic inch. Nice. Then we got the big bad boy, the VMax. 18 grand gets you a 1700cc engine. This is in black cherry. Gorgeous color scheme. Crazy pipes. V4. Double-sided double pipes. Got a matte gray and a matte cherry on the engine components. That looks really sharp. And then the metal is brushed. Here we have the Striker with the bullet cowl option. Kind of gives a military effect. Really dig it. If the Incredible Hulk rode a motorcycle, this is what he'd ride. We got the big V-Star, 113 cubic inch engine, all plumbed out. Beautiful red scheme. It's a metallic, dark cherry red. Lots of chrome. Then we have yet another beautiful combination. This is in a semi-gloss finish. Not gloss, not matte. Almost has a primer effect to it. Dual tone saddle. You have the kind of like a gunmetal gray tops, like a dark gray sides. And we have the new 2015 Raider bullet cowl. Pretty similar to the Striker, but more of a conventional streamlined design instead of being a low slung. A little more modern touchers. Lots of chrome, lots of gloss. Very nice.
How's it going, man? Alright.
And we have the V-Star 1300 Deluxe Cruiser. Big hard bags, big tank, fairing mounted gauges and windshield. Lots of fun. Here we have the V-Star 950 Tour. It's in a pearl white, lots of chrome, lots of black, canning cages, leather covered hard bags, big tank, tank mounted speedo, big windshield, big comfy floorboards. Not for the passenger though. Kind of gives you that top look. And we have a bunch of display bikes too. That is pretty cool.
It's all built.
Well, and to close it out, we have the brand new Yamaha R3 320 engine. I have to say it looks a hell of a lot better than the Ninja. Beautiful paint scheme. Very modern, very sleek, very angry front end. Love the beak. Love the graphics. Sweet looking minimal pipe. Nice combination of flat and gloss paint. Subtle graphics. And to top it all off, $5,000. That, my friends, is a winner. A winner, winner, chicken dinner. And inverted forks. Pretty cool. All right. That's it for the 2014 AIMExpo. From Orlando. Thanks for watching, guys.